Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. I don't know if you judge nobody. See it there? Ellie this. So Ellie there run taxi. Ellie! Wagwan! Elephant! Elephant ka people. Papa for chia. I'm here. Ellie! Elephant!
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. The video that I just presented to you, right? That video is out on social media with some allegations behind that video. You see me? Now, according to some of the comments that have been made on social media about this video, I get to understand that some persons on social media are saying that the video shows Elephant Man running taxi at halfway tree. Even in the video, you hear a person say some things like that. You see me? Now, some persons on social media do not believe it. You see me? And even me myself, I don't believe it. You understand? I have no confirmed information to prove that the person in the video is actually Elephant Man. No, I don't have any confirmed information. You see me? So I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, to my knowledge right now, that's just allegation. You see me? And in my point of view, I do not believe that person is Elephant Man. I could be right and I could be wrong, but I'm telling you what I think. Alright? Alright. So leave that video alone now, viewers and subscribers, and we're going to move on to something that had been said by a person who goes by the name of Miss Donna. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, Miss Donna said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that a snake was in a shoes that someone gave her. You see me?
For the time when the snake, when them bring one shoes come here, come give me with the snake in it. When the snake run out and nearly jump bite off Marcia's foot.
Is it shoes or a shoe? You see me? Well, you know, if a snake is in a shoe, it sounds more logical, because one snake, one shoe. You see me? How the snake are there in two shoes? You see me? You get on me? Yeah, a pair of shoes, so forth. But anyways, the point is that Miss Donna said something that gave me the understanding that she said that she saw a snake in a shoe that someone gave her.
Somebody bring a pair of shoes here and say I'm my one. And when Marcia put on the shoes, are the biggest black snake they sit them where walk and wiggle long.
You understand? So obviously she get a pair of shoes. You understand?
I say, when you look at the shoes that go and the sitting does run straight out of the boot. All that reaching there.
Now, viewers and subscribers, and are real. This whole thing is on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that it's Obeah. You understand me? And viewers and subscribers, you know, and a real though, I'm looking at it and I'm saying to myself, I wonder if it is a mistake, you know, maybe the shoes had been put at a certain place, you know, and I'm talking about the pair of shoes, you understand? Maybe the pair of shoes had been placed at a certain place and accidentally a snake reached in the shoes or so forth. You understand?
Ask Nuncia, me send the video go show her if she willing to show it.
You know, the benefit of the doubt, you see me? But at the same time, Miss Donna said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that the person gave her the shoes and said that the shoes is for her.
Last year one woman come here and she keep on and say the shoes are mine. And that woman never yet come back here and call me back. I don't know her.
Viewers and subscribers, I don't know how to look at this, but this look a way, it looks certain ways. You understand? You see me? And you know, you see, when it comes down to this whole Obeah thing, a lot of persons in Jamaica would say, oh, as somebody start to rise, you know, somebody try to hurt them and pop them down and all them things, you see me? But anyways, Miss Donna went on to explain some more about this whole thing that happened. And I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, I find it very interesting, some of the things that she had said, you see me?
Anyway, I take the bag, put it down there. So I say, lady, the amount of shoes that me have them are dry rotten.
I'm wondering what could have happened for that snake to end up in that shoe. You understand? I'm just wondering, you see? Alright, well anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, me just make you know what's going on right there. You can let me know what you think about that, and I'm going to move on to another topic right about now, you see? Now, viewers and subscribers, it had came to my attention that the person who goes by the name of Amari had got botox done to her face. You see me? Some persons might call it botox treatment. You see me?
You just look so rested now. So same thing here.
I don't really know how to call something like this because I've never really seen someone done it. I don't really and truly, have any experience when it comes down to this botox thing. You understand?
I know we did just 2 syringes and 2 syringes here. Maybe if I'll use 2 more, like 1 more here, then 1 more here.
Yeah, botox. B-O-T-O-X. Yeah, like, them put the injection there and the face get a little, younger looking according to how me understand it. I don't know how the process go. Anyways, this video shows Amari getting the botox, done to her face, or the thing put in her face and so forth. And it's big talk about on social media.
Does this cheek seem a little higher than this one too?
Now, comments have been made on social media about the video that shows Amari getting the botox treatment or treatments. You see me? Different type of comments have been made. Viewers and subscribers, some of these comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that she should not have done this to herself, and persons are talking about what botox can do to you and all those kind of things. So me I said to you, you have persons who are saying that Amari already look good. It's just the understanding that I get from some of these comments. But at the same time, you have some comments that have been made on social media about the video that shows Amari doing the botox treatment or treatments. I don't think I really and truly want to repeat some of the things that have been said. So me I said to you, but in my point of view, if someone is comfortable with what they're doing to their body, then, it's not for me to really and truly judge or feel a way about it. You understand? Well, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this thing that is known as botox. You understand? Yeah. Viewers and subscribers, I get to understand that it is being said on social media, and there's also videos on social media where it is said that Amari is doing some things to her body, Yeah, some persons call it upgrading her body and all these things. You see? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I only did this video to give you a quick update and let you know what's going on out there, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about these things that I just talked to you about. You understand? So big up to Amari, big up to Miss Donna, and big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? Yeah, keeping it buzzing. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall, you know big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.